at the Hotel Rumbao, which is right across the street from the cruise ship terminal because we're taking a cruise tomorrow. So if you're coming to San Juan, Puerto Rico, this is probably the best located hotel around. The room's pretty nice. It's the King Suite. It has a little table right here. It's got a little bench. You got plenty of places to sit. You got under the seating storage, so that's pretty cool. There's plenty of plugs and USB outlets over here as well. Staff's super friendly. It's really nice. When we checked in, we got breakfast for 2 in the morning, and we also got a $35 hotel credit for non-alcoholic beverages or food in the restaurant or the market that they have downstairs. There's also a Walgreens attached to the hotel, so if you forgot any last minute toiletries, you don't have to worry about anything. It's right there. So let's go check out the rest of the hotel. If you're wondering why I picked this hotel, we're 100 feet away from the cruise ship. There's 2 piers there. There are 2 piers here. There are 2 piers here. And if you see that, it looks like a destroyer out there. That is from the Dutch Navy. We actually sat next to 2 people at dinner yesterday on that ship. Another cool thing I like about this hotel is they don't have that stupid sign that keeps falling over. You just turn it over. Please do your magic after the Roomba. Team in progress, preparing the room for the Roomba. Welcome to Rumbao. Very cool.